Amid public concern over why no one has been jailed yet in connection with anomalous flood control projects in the country, Malacanang urges the public to remain calm. In a briefing on Tuesday, October 14, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro assures that the government is doing everything to hold accountable those involved in the flood control controversy. She notes that the filing of cases could not be done overnight.
Okay. Kalma lang. Muli. Hindi po kasi ito nadadaan sa agad-agaran. Siguro bilang lawyer na ako ay mismong humahawak ng mga kaso at ako po ay humaharap mismo sa korte. Kaya alam ko po kung paano ba magpresenta ng isang ebidensya.
Castro explains that it's better to gather as much solid evidence as possible before filing cases than to immediately file cases that might eventually be dismissed due to insufficient proof.
Hindi po ito nadadaan sa pabilisan at kung ito naman ay mapapabilis, napakaganda ng numero, marami nasampa sa korte, pero kalaunan na-dismiss po lahat. Ano po ba ang mas hindi nyo tatanggapin? Nakapagsampa ng maraming kaso pero na-dismiss po lahat dahil hindi hinog at kulang ang ebidensya. Hayaan po natin ang ICI na bumuo ng kanilang investigasyon at kumpletohin ang dokumento. Ang pangako naman po nila in after a week or rather week 4 ay makakapagsampa na sila ng mga kaso or makakapagrekomenda ng pagsampa ng kaso.
The Department of Justice earlier Tuesday turned over to the Office of the Ombudsman its findings on officials and contractors allegedly involved in anomalous flood control projects in Bulacan. Ombudsman Boying Remulla vowed to prioritize cases related to the flood control corruption scandal.